Hello everyone, so in this video let us talk about a very easy problem from LeetCode. The problem name is number of employees who met the target. Okay, it's pretty much very simple. So the problem statement goes like this, that you are given an n employees in a company numbered from 0 till n minus 1. So you are given n employees. Each of the employees has worked for hours, I amount of hours in the company. So as you can see here, for every employee you are given how much time they have worked inside the company. Now, the company requires each employee to work at least target amount of hours. So the company just wants that everyone should work at least target amount of hours in the company. So you just have to return the number of employees who have worked at least target amount of hours. So how many employees among this array have the value greater than equal to the target value? So it's pretty much simple only, that you just have to iterate over this array from left to right and just find out how many values are greater than equal to the target value. Just print out that answer and that's it. Nothing much complicated here itself. So the code itself is also very small. As you can see, this is the total variable to store all the total amount of you can say employees that have fulfilled this condition. Iterate over using a for loop. As you can see, if I is greater than equal to target, if the I value is greater than the ith value, we have used auto keyword so that we can iterate over every value one by one over this array. If the ith value is greater than equal to target value, that is this, then you can just increment the total because that is a valid employee. And the end, how many of the employees have fulfilled the proper condition of the target value, just print it out. Okay, nothing much complicated here itself. It's a very small code. Iterate over the whole array, find out how many values are greater than equal to the target value, increment the total, and just print out total. Okay, that's a complete logic and code part for this particular problem. Nothing much difficult here itself. I think so most of you might have solved this problem out, but let's move on to more problems and try to solve more problems as you move forward with different problems in this particular channel. Okay, so thank you for watching this video till the end. I will see you in the next one. Till keep coding and bye.